guys! Good morning to my vlog. Again, it's me, Dingot. Sorry I had to face you like this. Kagigising ko lang and I am so excited to share this with you. Kaya film ko na agad siya first thing in the morning. Actually, kagabi ko sana ito i-film but natalo ako ng antok. So, I was not able to do it last night. So, ngayon, ito yung gagawin natin. I-unbox na natin yung bagong PR products ko na na-receive kahapon. Wala lang. I-unbox lang talaga natin siya ngayon guys kasi I'm so excited to see the packaging. I'm so excited to see all of it talaga. I mean, this is my first time to unbox a PR package and please bear with me. So, samahan niyo akong i-unbox natin to but before anything else, intro muna tayo. Ito siya guys. So, hindi ko pa talaga siya natanggal dun sa pouch niya kasi antok na talaga ako kagabi and wala na akong magawa. Na-disinfect ko na pala siya though. There's nothing to worry. Tatanggalin lang natin ito guys. Ito, this is from Wim Manila. Ano pala to, yung stickers, pinasabay ko na kasi I also ordered stickers from their sister company sa Wim, kaya sabi na isasabay na lang daw nila to. Makikita nyo to later kasi isa-separate ko to ng vlog kasi iba to at iba din to. It's from Wim. Thank you Wim Manila. Next is ito talaga yung PR package guys. This is from LANA PH. Ito na siya guys. This is from LANA PH. So silang skincare line. At saka meron pa sila instruction on how to use the product. Pagka merong moon at saka sun, ibig sabihin yan, pwede siyang gamitin night and day. So, andito yung lahat. So, para may legend siya. And this is so nice and cute lang. So, eto na yun guys. Actually, this is a bundle guys. Meron siyang sunscreen, meron siyang cleanser, meron din siyang serum. Meron siyang soap, na pang brightening soap, anti-aging soap, at saka yung charcoal soap. Meron silang argan oil. So, yun yung nakaka-nice kasi parang complete na talaga lahat. I already have, 6 soap. Actually, yung kasali sa bundle, 3 soap lang. Itong brightening soap. Ito, color pink siya. And then, yung charcoal soap, ito yung black na color. And then lastly is the age-defying soap yan. So ito yung kasama sa bundle. But they also give me an extra at saka ako pa yung pumili talaga. These are the soap that I chose. 2 charcoal kasi per advice galing daw for acne problems itong charcoal soap and then another brightening soap. So ayan, meron pa akong extra 3 soap. Nice yung packaging nyo guys kasi napaka simple and then napaka aesthetic ng dating niya. Parang ang cute lang tingnan and this is what I like. Okay. Normally, yung ginagawa pala nilang bubble wrapper para hindi mabasag yung mga items nila sa loob ng box, papers, but nauubusan sila ng mga shredded papers kaya back to basics sila, naka-bubble wrap. But normally, this is not really their packaging kapag ka nandito na sa box. Meron yung mga shredded paper instead of bubble wrap. Naubusan sila ng shredded paper. So guys, kung mga may extra papers kayo dyan na hindi nyo na nagagamit, send them to LANA PH. I-search nyo lang. Searchable naman yung nila website. So, napaka-nice kasi eco-friendly sila. Kung may mga extra papers kayo dyan, sketches, better send it to LANA. I-unwrap ko lang lahat ko and then isushow ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga laman. have here 5 items na naka-bubble wrap kanina. So, again, yung kasama ng bundle is itong tatlong soap, yung age-defying charcoal soap at saka yung brightening soap. And then, this one, lash and brow serum. So, ayan. Brow serum. Tingnan nyo, speaking of brow, wala na pala talaga tong alaga, tong brow ko. Wala, hindi ko na siya na-treat. And then, this is good for your eyelashes and brow. Nice lang siya guys, yung packaging niya. Napaka-nice. Napaka-simple. Tingnan natin yung amoy niya. Wala siyang amoy. It's basically, ano lang talaga siya, serum para sa lash. So, nice. Cute. Napaka-aesthetic talaga nung yung lash and brow serum is 10 ml siya. So, hindi naman ako masyadong naglalagay ng ganito. So, I think matagal pa ito maubos sa akin. But, this would help if gusto nyo magkaroon ng mga malalandik na pilik mata, gano'n, mga stick na eyebrows. So, pwede nitong gamitin. And then, this one is the Skin Protect Sunblock. Meron siyang SPF 80. Wow! SPF 80 PA+++, UVA, and UVB. So, sa lahat ng mga tao ang hilig sa mga sunblock dyan na we recommend talaga kasi nakahiligan ko na rin mag sunblock. We recommend to use sunblock that are high in SPF, like 50 and above SPF, kasi mas mapuprotect talaga yung skin niyo from UV rays. Protected talaga kayo against the harmful rays of the sun. So, ayan, Skin Protect. So, this is so nice because they have a higher SPF. So, yung akin, mga 50 lang yun. But, we recommend 50 and above SPF para dun sa mga skincare addict na naghahanap ng higher SPF. So far, ito pa lang yung nakikita ko na napaka-high ng SPF niya, guys. So, 80 SPF plus PA. 4 pa na plus. Yung iba, 3 plus lang. So, this is very nice talaga in protecting your skin. I will try this one. Ang nice lang talaga ng packaging na guys. Nasa starstruck ako. Very simple, very aesthetic, very minimalist yung type ng ano niya, yung packaging niya. Tapos may wood accent pa siya dito, which brings us to its aesthetic side. Ayan. At saka pump pa siya. Nakahiligan ko din yung pump na opening ng mga products kasi klase siya tingnan kapag ka naka-pump. So, and then next is, this is a Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. This is a cleanser. So, ito yung i-apply mo before anything else after the sabon. I suppose hydrating to kasi nga dun sa pangalan niya, Soothe and Hydrate. This is composed of oat protein, niacinamide, and panthenol. So, niacinamide, this is very good those who have sensitive skin. Hindi talaga naman ako expert na sa mga beauty products, but napapamiliarize ko lang tong mga ganitong ingredient ng skincare products kasi nga gumagamit din ako. Tinitingnan ko talaga yung ingredient niya kasi napaka-sensitive ng skin ko and prone to acne siya. Kaya yung mga may mga niacinamide, may mga sikay, yun yung mga ginagamit kong skincare product. Lalong-lalo na pagdating sa toner, napaka-sensitive ko talaga. But I observed wala silang toner. So, siguro you can use any kind of toner basta ba, yun bang hiyang sa skin type mo. Tingnan niyo yung packaging niya, guys. Simple and napaka-elegant, napaka-aesthetic talaga ng dating na, which is very nice. Ito yung mga type na packaging ng product na gustong-gusto ko. And pump din siya. Hindi siya mag-spill kasi yung mga pump type na opening, meron siyang lock. Alalock mo to. Anti-spill siya. And next, this is the argan oil. Ang mahal talaga ng argan, luckily, kasama na siya sa bundle. Anywhere you buy, kahit pa sa Shopee, may kamahalan talaga yung argan oil kasi argan oil are very, very good for your skin. Napakalaking tulong ng argan oil sa skin. This is labeled as 100% pure. So, we'll see. And then, yeah, again and again, the packaging, guys. Napaka-nice ng packaging niya, guys. Oh, cute. And pump pa rin siya. Ayan. Cute. And cute and cute. Ito talaga yung nakakadala ng elegance niya. Yung wood accent. Ito talaga yung nakakadala ng elegance sa packaging ng products. For those who are very skin lovers, skincare addicts, alam nila kung anong benefit ng argan oil sa skin natin. That is why better search for the benefits of argan oil. Kasi ako, I don't want to say anything, but for me, highly recommended to include argan oil in your skincare routine. Pwede din to sa buhok, guys, ang argan oil. Makakaganda siya ng quality ng ating skin, ng ating buhok. Ganun siya. And lastly, yung kanilang DNA Repair Elixir. Yung elixir na term na naririnig or nababasa ko lang to sa mga online gamings parang potion, ganun siya. And this is composed with Centella asiatica. This is what I am telling you a while ago. The kind of components, the kind of ingredients na hinahanap ko sa isang skincare product. Yung may sika, Centella asiatica. Meron din siyang niacinamide, same doon sa ating cleanser. And meron siyang collagen. Kaya pala elixir siya kasi para siyang potion na kinukumpose ng mga very good and very perfect ingredients for your skin. Nasa starstruck lang talaga ako sa packaging niya, guys. Can you see that? Napaka-nice. Kung ikaw yung tao mahilig sa simple, mahilig sa minimalist type aesthetic design, malalove niyo talaga ang packaging ng LANA, guys. I heard na bago lang sila nag-change ng packaging. So, I'll just have to flash it on screen, yung old packaging ng LANA compared to the new. Ito yung new. And mas napabetter. Nakita ko yung old packaging nila. Maganda naman yung old packaging nila, but now it's better than the old packaging. So these are all the items from LANA PH. Thank you. And napaka-nice ng nila services. Napaka-patient. Ang dami-dami kong changes kasi. And napaka-flexible ni Miss Anne. Hi Miss Anne, shout out sa'yo dyan. Thank you for taking care of all my changes. And yeah, napaka-accommodating talaga ng kanilang service team. And thank you for the free soap. And I am so excited to use all of this. I think magugustuhan to ng skin ko. This is pure organic. And alam niyo ba, guys, na this is locally made. Made in the Philippines. So let us use and let us patronize our own products. Guys, let's support our local product makers. So, ayun. Thank you, LANA, for this PR package. Ayun, guys, here are the products na nakuha ko from LANA. Thank you, LANA PH. Thank you for this. And I am so excited to use all the products. And I hope na mahiyang ako sa mga products na to. And yeah, for those dun sa theme nyo na very eco-friendly and very aesthetic ng packaging nyo, which is very nice. Nagandahan ko. Sayang, hindi ko lang naabutan yung shredded papers. But yeah, sa lahat ng may mga extra papers dyan, may mga extra scratches, huwag nyo na pong itapon. Ipadala nyo po sa LANA PH. Ilalagay ko sa description box yung link ng website nila. Or meron din silang FB page, meron silang Instagram page. So, ilalagay ko doon lahat ng link na magagamit nyo to redirect you to LANA PH. Kasi nangangailangan talaga sila ng extra papers, nangangailangan sila ng mga scratch papers or may magazines or any type of paper meron kayo dyan na hindi nyo kailangan, send it to LANA dahil kailangan nila yun kasi hindi sila gumagamit ng bubble wrap. Gusto nilang eco-friendly yung dating ng kanilang packaging. Let's support this kind of company na nagpo-promote ng eco-friendly packaging ng product. Thank you guys for watching this video. If bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, huwag mong kalimutan na i-like, i-subscribe na rin at i-click yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga showbiz happenings para updated ka sa mga bagong video na i-upload ko. And if may suggestions or comments kayo regarding this product and other things, pwede kayong mag-comment down below sa lahat ng mga suggestions nyo. I would be happy to read all of your suggestions, all of your comments. keep in touch tayo dun sa aking FB page. Ilalagay ko yung link ng aking FB page sa description box and everything. So, basahin nyo lang sa description box sa lahat ng mga hindi ko nabanggit dito sa video. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!